we are looking at how you can mix Vaseline petroleum jelly and lemon juice to get a glowing skin. Trust me, if you are suffering from pimples, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne, and you'd like to remove them from your face, my dear, you have to mix Vaseline petroleum jelly and lemon juice. Trust me, this home recipe will give you a glowing skin. So you just need yourself to buy Vaseline and lemon. First of all, you need 1 tablespoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly. Make sure that you get Vaseline petroleum jelly original, as you see, original 100%. We need just 1 tablespoon, okay, so that we can proceed with our home remedy. Trust me, this is a powerful home remedy which you need to get a glowing skin. So you just need 1 tablespoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly. From that, we need lemon juice. Lemon juice you can use which is in yellow in color or green in color, but we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, okay? So it means we need to squeeze and we get lemon juice. Trust me, this is amazing recipe which will give you a glowing skin. So if you are suffering from pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, trust me, if you need a glowing skin, start mixing this home recipe at home. It doesn't have side effects, and by the way, it works 100%. So I decided to come and show you how you can mix this home recipe at home. So we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, okay, 3 tablespoons. This is 1. These are 2 and 3. From that, I want you to get for me natural honey. Natural honey, make sure that you get organic honey, not honey which is added with other things, but get natural honey. For this, we need 2 tablespoons, okay, 2 tablespoons of natural honey. Guys, trust me, if you have wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, black spots, thin lines in your face is very rough, guys, trust me, you need this home recipe. Yes, it doesn't have side effects and it works 100%. As you see, our Vaseline doesn't dissolve. We need to get warm water so that our Vaseline can dissolve. And make sure that you mix until Vaseline dissolves. Okay? Trust me, this is an amazing recipe which will help you to remove wrinkles, black spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, and it will give you a glowing skin. As you see, after mixing your home recipe, it will look like this. Vaseline has dissolved with natural honey and lemon juice, so it will look like this, guys. It means our home recipe is ready, but from that, you'll get from me any container like this one, whether it is covered or not covered, but I recommend you to get a container which is covered, a smaller one, like small bottle which is covered. Then you transfer your home recipe into your container like this one, guys. What you're going to do is, when you're going to sleep, please apply this home recipe in your face, massage at least for 2 minutes, and you can sleep. Make sure that before you apply this home recipe in your face, First, remove your makeup if you have makeup, okay? Wash your face, dry your face, and then apply this home recipe, okay? Trust me, if you use it every day, like for 1 week, you'll be having a glowing skin. Pimples, black spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, only Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and lemon juice plus honey will give you a glowing skin. So why not try this home recipe? My dear, you will thank me later. But I recommend you can keep your home recipe in the fridge so that you can be using it for a long period of time without getting spoiled. So keep it in the cooler for many days for you to be using this home recipe. Okay? So for glowing skin, no pimples, no black spots, no wrinkles, no acne, hyperpigmentation. So you need this home recipe, guys. Why not subscribe for such amazing videos? I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye.